Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths Tutor. Here we have given a question. About 500 of the population of a certain city are engineers. Another 300 are electricians. How much more are engineers than electricians in the city? Now to find the number, we need to subtract this number of electricians from number of engineers. Here we have given 500 of the population are engineers. (300) of the population are electricians. So number of engineers more than electricians is given by 500 minus 300. So it is 200. That is 1/50. Hence, (1/50) more engineers are there than electricians. So our answer is 1/50, which is option B.